guys, welcome to BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. So it's finally here. We're here in Arizona, Mesa, Arizona, to pick up our new to us Phaeton 40. It's a Phaeton 40Ih. I'm super excited. I was like that little kid from the Disney commercial. I'm too excited to sweep.
We're too excited to sleep.
Anyway, it's 7 o'clock now. I started waking up at 3 o'clock. Just could not hold it together. I'm just so excited. So we are waiting for our lift. That La Mesa, the dealership, arranged for us to go get it. So I'm just hanging out. We got another hour to go. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's episode is an introduction to Ruby Jewel, our new to us, 2017 TIFFIN Phaeton 40Ih. She has a 380 horsepower Cummins engine in her, and she rides on the Power Glide chassis. She's pretty badass. She's a 100% electric coach, so she has a 10K Onan generator and the Aqua Hot system for the heating system. So come along with me and meet Ruby Jewel. Okay guys, let's check out Ruby Jewel. Our home away from home. So it has two big sofas. This one pulls out to a sofa bed, and this one on this side is a scissor bed, and then behind it is one of those TVs that go up, and then a dinette area and a workstation behind the dinette for when we're on the road. I could still continue to work. One of my favorite parts about this rig, it's really cool. You just open that up, pull it out, and there's a workstation there. And the cabinet below has another tray that pulls out for a printer. It's really cool. And then over here is a big refrigerator, residential style. And of course we have it stocked with a major food group. And then next to the refrigerator is the pantry. We haven't really stocked the rig with food and that kind of stuff yet because we haven't really done much. One small trip. Refrigerator is the half bath. It's really convenient for when we're going down the road. I could get to it without having to crawl over the bed. And then over here is the convection oven, a big sink, and really cool dishwasher. And above that is the cooktop. As I said earlier, it is an all-electric rig, so there's no need to get propane. More storage above this side, on the driver's side sofa. Above that is tons of storage. And there's a TV up front, and more storage. Okay, and then this is really cool. This allows me to have plenty of counter space for cooking and entertaining. It's really, really cool. One hand, just slide it right back in. And then the bedroom, we have a king size sleep number. And on this side, more storage and another TV. And more storage above there. And then the bathroom is the full back bathroom. Nice big shower, a regular toilet that's porcelain, a big closet, and over here on this slider is the washer and dryer, and next to that is the vanity. It's a double vanity, tons of storage. It's amazing how much storage this thing has. All right, folks, that's pretty much it on the interior. Really love this rig. We got so lucky to find the layout pretty much exactly what we were looking for. The only difference that I wanted was on that side. There's a model, basically the same thing as this, except for it had a fireplace and a recliner. But now that I'm in this, it was a happy accident. I really like this one a lot. So there you go. This is Ruby Jewel. Stay tuned for some really cool RVing trips coming up, and I will be sharing that with you guys as well. So until next time, enjoy the ride.